Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Naik. Dito sa Liora Homes Naik. Under siya ni My City Homes. Then yung floor area niya is nasa 43.75 square meters. Then average lot area niya, yung inner lot, bali nasa 50 square meter. Yung end lot niya, bali nasa 75 square meter naman. Then, provision for 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. And then, meron na siyang provision garage for 1 car. Or di kaya motor nyo pwede dyan. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell notification bell button for more upcoming videos.